Welcome to my exclusive Kartra bonus video where I'll be breaking down my 12k bonus stack, which helps solve one of the biggest problems most online businesses have. Now, Kartra is an all-in-one marketing platform that centralizes multiple tools under one roof, helping you save money and time. So let's get started and let's go ahead and look at this exclusive Kartra bonus. And one of the main problems all online businesses have is traffic. So the first part of the bonus will be giving you access to the 24-hour ranking system. Now, what is the 24-hour ranking system? The 24-hour ranking system is a training that helps you place products and services on the front page of Google for free using zero ads. Meaning you don't need to be able to run Facebook campaigns, native ads, or others. This training is going to show you how to get in front of your ideal customers by utilizing two of the biggest search platforms in the planet, which is YouTube and Google. And with this system, you're going to be able to rank in 24 hours in positions 1, 2, 3, and 4, helping you make money and commissions by getting right in front of the targeted keywords that your audience is searching for. So that right there will solve all your traffic problems. But also understand that grabbing a 30-day free trial of Kartra is great, but because our lives can be very busy, 30 days can go very fast, and you may feel like you didn't get a chance to really explore it because you spent half the time just trying to figure out where things were. Well, within the 24-hour ranking system, we are going to give you access to 5 magic funnels, pre-done, tested for success, and you can easily transfer those funnels into your Kartra account for free. And these funnels are great because we have an affiliate marketing funnel, we have an e-commerce funnel, we have a local business funnel, we have a consultancy funnel, and we have a membership site funnel. And each funnel is customizable. So within the 24-hour ranking system, not only are your traffic problems solved, but your funnel problems are solved, making it worth it grabbing a 30-day free trial of Kartra because you don't have to spend a day trying to build your own. You already have something that's proven and tested, along with the instructions of the training of my mentor, Paul Murphy. The next part of this training is you will get access to a 12k bonus license, giving you the ability to give this very bonus stack away to your audience, increasing the value of anything you're promoting. So if you have a membership site, if you have a course, if you're just running affiliate campaigns, this will work wonders because, like I said, it solves the number one problem that all online businesses have, which is traffic. So offering this as a bonus is definitely going to be useful to anybody that comes across it. Next, you're going to get exclusive lifetime weekly coaching calls with my mentor, Paul Murphy. Now, this means you can jump on the call and ask him as many questions as you would like about your business, about your funnels, about any issues you're having, scaling your affiliate campaigns or scaling your business sales. Paul Murphy is the guy to listen to. Not only is he a successful super affiliate, Paul Murphy is a 2-comma award winner and makes millions online using this very system. And in a time where everything is saturated, costs are going up in terms of ads, this is literally a blue ocean. So asking Paul Murphy all the questions you want is going to be pivotal to your success because Paul Murphy charges $15,000+ just for a simple consultation. So getting access to a mind like this is not common. So definitely go ahead and grab your 30-day free trial of Kartra so you can get access to Paul Murphy's live weekly coaching call. Last but not least is the 4-day Google ranking challenge. Now, this is going to help you get your first listings on the front page of YouTube and Google, helping you build your confidence and in turn making you really want to implement this system in your own affiliate campaigns and your own businesses. So this means you're going to get access to the 24-hour ranking system. You're going to get unlimited private weekly coaching calls with my mentor, Paul Murphy. You're going to get an exclusive license to give this bonus stack away, and you're going to get access to the 4-day Google ranking challenge. Now, this is worth $12,588, but you'll get it for free if you decide to sign up for a 30-day free trial of Kartra using my link below or going to evanslutu.com/Kartra. But there's also another problem that most online businesses have, and if you're purchasing Kartra, then this is a big part of your whole system. So like mentioned before, this part of the bonus solves your traffic problems and your funnel problems. But email marketing is one of the biggest revenue generators there are when it comes to online businesses. So I'm going to give you access to List Prodigy. Now, List Prodigy is a system and a training that's going to show you not only how to build a super big email list using the secret traffic source, you're also going to learn how to improve your open rates, which is pivotal in terms of getting clicks and getting sales. Now, this training has helped many build thousands of dollars daily, and it's literally an over-the-shoulder training. So this is definitely newbie friendly. You don't need any pre previous experience. And best of all, this was $197, but today you'll get it free if you decide to get a 30-day free trial of Kartra using my link below. So far that means not only have I solved your traffic problems, I have solved your funnel problems, and now I have solved your email marketing problems with List Prodigy. But I still want to give you more value, and I want to give you access to 90 Make Money online courses. Now this is going to give you access to affiliate marketing training, video SEO training, high ticket sales training, LinkedIn marketing, e-commerce, Amazon FBA, just to name a few. And you're going to be able to not only improve your online money making skills, but if you're a membership site owner or if you have a course, you can use the knowledge that you gain from these courses, repurpose it and distribute it to your own audience. This is going to help you provide more value and in turn make you more money just by knowing the information, but by also sharing the information. And you'll get all of this just by signing up for a 30-day free trial of Kartra. And all you have to do is go to the link below or head over to evanslutu.com/Kartra, and you will be taken to this page where you'll fill in your first name, your email. Click both of these so you can actually receive the email that gives you bonus access, and press enter, where you'll be taken to Kartra's free trial section. All you have to do is press start a free trial, fill in the information, and then you'll be taken to your dashboard where you can go ahead and sign up for the bonuses, which you will receive an email, so look out for it. And those emails will have links for each and everything that I've shown you. All you have to do is sign up for the free trial, sign up for the 24-hour ranking system, List Prodigy, and then click to get your 90 Make Money online courses. So thank you so much for checking out my exclusive Kartra bonus video. Hopefully you liked it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.